ಪೂರ್ವ ಸಿದ್ಧತಾ ಸೇವೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಬೈಜೂಸ್ ಪ್ರಸಕ್ತ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭವಾಗಲಿರುವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬಯಸುವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿವಿಧ ವೇತನಗಳನ್ನು ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಂದು ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಬುಧವಾರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಮೊದಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ವೇತನ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ, ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಪ್ರವೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಶೇಕಡಾ 90ರವರೆಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ವೇತನ ದೊರೆಯಲಿದೆ ಎಂದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಜನರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Warm welcome. So myself Rajesh and have been working here as a territory head, and first of all we are very happy you have accepted our invitation and you are present over here, and this gathering is basically meant for the introduction of and scholarship test, that is IACST, because many children after completion of their 10th standard 10th board examination as well as 11th school examination, those children who are willing to appear for different entrance examinations like medical and NEET, medical exams like NEET or engineering exams like JEE Mains, Advanced and KCET, they will be requiring some additional support apart from their school and PU board. For all those aspirants, Akash is offering a scholarship in the name of Instant Admission Scholarship Test. So those children who want to become doctor or engineer, in order to fulfill their dreams, Akash is also contributing some of its services through this examination. It is one kind of serving to the nation also. So many children who are from middle class background and those who are working from different areas, those parents can avail this opportunity. So I request all the print and electronic media members to pass this information to all the parents so that they can avail this opportunity. Known to you, Akash as a national brand has been producing good number of doctors and engineers since decades. So we are entering into 36th year, and across the country our presence is there. We are with 300 plus branches. Even this current branch, Belgaum, it was started in the year 2018 and we have been generating good results. You are very much aware that for last 3 academic sessions, Akash Institute Karnataka has been producing first rank in KCET, which is Karnataka Common Entrance Test Examination, and also state level top ranks we are producing in case of NEET as well as JEE also. And even from Belgaum branch also, in the year 2022, we produced the All India level rank. Right? And in this way, quality results we have been giving from different branches of Karnataka, and also we are serving to the student fraternity with quality education, quality academic services. So in order to enter into this Akash system, definitely they will be requiring some kind of encouragement through financial aids. That opportunity this IACST exam is giving. Hence, once again, we are requesting to spread this message as much as possible so that children who really deserve this kind of opportunities, they will be getting the information. So thank you one and all. And any questions?
ವಿನೋದ್ ಕೋಲ್ಕಾರ್, ಕನ್ನಡಮ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ.